Hey guys, what you're looking at here is a 52-inch Emerson Northwind designer ceiling fan. This is from I think the early 90s. Earlier today I took down my Hampton Bay Huntington 3 and put this up. It's been like 3 months since I made a video of this fan. I've had so many other fans to put up here. So like sometime back in 2018, I found this sitting at the curb. It looks cool, so I picked it up, and it was sitting in storage for the next 2 years until I finally tested it out, and I finally hung it up for the first time. There's also other Emerson designers as well. There's a Emerson Casablanca designer that I think was sold at Sears, and then the Emerson plastic designer, and also the Emerson Northwind designer, which is what you see here. Here's a closer look. I added these pull chains on. I went to Lowe's and got these. The light kit is not original. I don't think it is. It doesn't have the same finish as the fan. The finish is textured white. There's the Emerson logo. And I don't think these shades are original to the light kit because I got these at Lowe's yesterday because the fan didn't come with the original shades. The blades are non-reversible, they're white on both sides. As you can see, one of the brackets on this fan are bent. Yeah, this thing just wobbles like crazy. Alright, now I will demonstrate it for you, starting off with the light. And now for low. These fans are already starting to wobble a little bit. Here's medium. Here's high. Just look at how crazy this thing wobbles. It blows a good amount of air though. Yeah, that blade is just badly bent. I'm just going to go ahead and end the video here because the spin down takes forever. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.